Okay, so let's get started with Audacity. So first, we're looking right now at the syllabus in our class, so that you can download it if you haven't done so already. And you're going to click on Course Requirements, and it'll jump down the page, and come down here to where it says Software and Free, and then here's the free software. Right here, there's a link to Audacity, but what I've done for you is I've opened this up so that it will go to a page that I've created. So it's an Audacity software downloads page. And as of this recording, the last time that this page was updated was 8/14/2020. So I did this to make things simple because Audacity is totally wonderful. It's free. It has a good website, but then there's a plugin that you have to use, and that website's like, it feels a little janky. It's totally safe, but it's kind of hard to find some of the material on it. And so I just tried to make it simple and put everything in one place with some instructions for you so you didn't have to weed through it. Anyway, so if you're on a Mac, go ahead and download this 64-bit installer if you have operating system 10.7 or higher. If you have something lower than that, then you will need to scroll down to the bottom where it says older systems, and you need to go to the Audacity downloads page. And if you're on Windows with an older system than Windows 10, you can click on this Windows compatibility chart to see what you need. Okay, so with the newest version of the software, it comes with one of the plugins that you used to have to go and find and install, and that was called the LAME library, L-A-M-E, and it sounds kind of lame, huh? But anyway, it was the thing that allowed you to create or export MP3s and also pull in MP3s. But they've decided to go ahead and make that a native part of the application now. So the FFmpeg library, however, is something that you still have to install. So anyway, what you're going to do is the first thing you would do on a Mac is download the Audacity installer and install it. Okay, and this is really important. Don't download it and then try to run the application straight from the compressed DMG file. What you'll do is you'll copy that. When you open the DMG file, you'll see the Audacity application. It has an icon that looks like this with headphones and a waveform in between. You'll drag that into your applications folder. Okay, and then you'll install this FFmpeg library. This is the download link, so go ahead and download it there. And then you'll follow the prompts on a Mac. It's a little package installer. On some Macs, it might look like the process stalls on validating packages, so just be patient for it and wait for it to complete. And after restarting Audacity, you should be allowed to import and export a much larger range of audio formats, including things like M4A, AAC files. This is important because if you're going to record anything straight off of like a device like your phone or certain kinds of audio recorders, they might record in an M4A format. And also like WMA. Anyway, so you can read that. Windows, similar process. You're going to download the Windows Audio Installer, install that, and then go get the FFmpeg library. And again, read these instructions and follow them, okay? If you have an older system, as I said, go to this Audacity downloads page. If you have an older system, you will also have to install that thing called LAME, L-A-M-E. So you'll have to do that as well. All right, go ahead and do that. And then anyway, so after you get started, you're going to go ahead and let's go and open Audacity. Here, I'm going to minimize that for right now. So when you open Audacity, you want to make sure that you have your libraries installed. So on a Mac, you would go up here to Audacity and go to Preferences. On Windows, you would go up to Edit and then find Preferences. So let's go look at our preferences. And you can click on where it says Libraries. It should tell you that you have LAME installed, and it should also tell you that you have your FFmpeg library version installed. If for some reason you did install it and it doesn't show this, then what you need to do is click on Locate, and you're going to have to go and locate that file. On a Mac, let me just show you. It's already detected it on mine, but just so I can show you where it's located, I'm going to say yes to this. This is where it puts it. It goes into the main library, not the user library, but the main library for the entire system. So this would be the path. It'd be /library /application support /Audacity /libs for libraries / and then it's this file, okay, that you would find, that you'd be looking for the libav format.55.dylib, okay, and then you'd find that. I'm going to hit cancel. So you can do it that way. If you're on Windows and you click that, it's going to be a different pathway that you're going to go to. So let me just show you that really fast. You can go to this web address. Let me zoom in. Oops, I didn't. Okay, I'm not zooming the right thing. Sorry. Anyway, you can go to this web address that's up here. Anyway, but you can look at this and copy that down. But it'll tell you that it's located in the C drive and program files, or it could be in the x86, depending on what version you installed. So, and then you would find it in ffmpeg for Audacity. And the file name that you're looking for is this one. It's avformat-55.dll. Okay. So anyway, that's how you get that installed. All right, now let's start using it.